Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have some colors left over, and I'm thinking that I'm just going to use them. With my favorite colors by dumping them right out of the container. I may even scrape them out of the container. Who knows what this is going to be like? Not me. I am inclined to give myself a puddle of paint. Make sure that it's not the enamel, although that might be kind of cool. Let's just make a puddle of paint. Let's let it go a few places. Let's get ready to scrape. You know what? I'm just going to scrape that all down. Use up all of my leftover paint. Throw my lid into the bucket. Doesn't matter if it goes around the outside edges. It'll probably just lead other paint. I'm going to grab a spatula. Guess I might need that in a minute. What else do I want in there? Something. Probably some gold. Definitely some orange. Some more of that. I feel like I'm missing something. There. Let's see how that works. I'm going to find myself an edge catcher. And what? And some white. Let's use some white enamel and see what happens. I've been dying to do that for a while. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Let's do it again. The love bug season is upon us. No, I invite you not. Go away. So I'm just going for every side that I can get paint to flow to. And then I'm going to just let it flow back again. If I can scrape any paint off my edge catcher, I will. Put that in as well. I don't think I'm going to get away with that. I think I'm going to be more careful. But I do want to keep deciding on what I'm going to do. And I want to see, that's a color shifting orange. I don't mind using my schmutzy edge catcher. And once I get a puddle of paint, I can rock the edge catcher and let the paint flow down, and then flow it back right into the composition. And I'm loving that enamel. Do I want anything else? I kind of do. You know what I want? I want that awesome blue. And I'm going to give it to myself in a couple of places. I'll give it to myself right here. That is a Venetian blue from, I believe it is Modern Masters. That's all covered. Well, maybe it's not. It is now. Who wants some yellow? Is that weird? The dogs are hunting Webbit again. Oh well. I don't think they're ever going to catch it. Come on. Okay, so that's telling me that I want to definitely put some more enamel, and that is the flash, the purple flash from Folk-Art. Line up my edge catcher, let everything flow to the side, rock it, flow it the other way, flow it down again, and then to the center. That's pretty cool. I got some neat stuff happening there. I got some stuff I don't really want to get rid of either. Like this orange and cellular area down here. I want that design in the center, that big loopy thing, to go that way. And to keep what I want. I don't want much. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, doing a 10" by 10" hit and run. And I'm dripping paint everywhere. But that's all going to go on my Lolafy silicone mat, and then I will peel it up and use it for some kind of artwork, maybe a collage. I just did one recently, and it came out pretty neat too. I'm just sticking my finger in my paint. I got a little bit of edge cover, needs to be covered, and plenty of paint to do it with. I wanted that purple over the edge, so I just used my breath. I'm going to torch. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't need to do a whole lot. I'm going to try and control my torch today. It's a brand new tank. I love what that white enamel did in there. I see a few cells coming up. Probably a lot too close. Let's see if I have any more paint I want to use. I kind of do. I see a spot right here that needs something. Although I think I would have preferred it to be blue. There's another one, and now my edges are covered. I love you guys. There's almost 87,000 of you. If there isn't already, I'd be really surprised. And somewhere around here is a card that I could read you that tells you that I do sell my artwork, and if you're looking for my email, contact me for the purchase of artwork using my email. It's under the Linktree link. Yeah, I'm tripping over my tongue today. Underneath the video, you're going to find Teespring clothing with all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And if you shop there, you help me out, obviously. If you shop on the Amazon link, you help me out at no added cost to you, and I really appreciate it. I love you guys, and I really want that card. And there it is. Please give me a thumbs up. If you share my videos, you help me out. The longer you watch a video, the more likely I am to get better placement on YouTube. Underneath the Linktree, pixels.com, fineartamerica.com, one and the same thing. You can get there through the Shop Now button on the Facebook group that's called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will show you what I have edited so far of the YouTube wet and dry artworks. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and the place that I also post tomorrow's video a lot of times. If you're looking for more videos, look for playlists, look for all playlists, go to created playlists, and you'll find genres and them listed by the hundreds, so it's easily organized. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and use my email. The dogs are definitely digging for that rabbit. Okay then, I think I've told you enough. Whatever's going on is too distracting for me to continue. I'll just tell you one more time I love you, and I will see you anon. Check my community board. Oh yeah, there's an exhibition video on the end screens where you can see this month's drawing prizes. And if you want to help keep the studio rolling, you can make a contribution through PayPal or Patreon. And the icons are on my channel header. And thank you to everybody who has done that. And thank you the rest of you for the wonderful comments and being here. And just watching longer. I really appreciate all that you guys do for me. Thank you so much. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, phew, Bunny made it again. See ya. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? I love you guys.